The benefits of washing hair with soda have been discussed by beauty blogs for years. But after Suki Waterhouse revealed the secret of her perfect blonde tresses, many women became interested in it and would like to give it a try. What is the secret behind this British supermodel's perfect tousled hair? She told Us Weekly that she rinses her hair with Coca-Cola. "I don't like my hair when it's washed, it's fine and limp, but Coca-Cola makes it tousled. Like I've gone through the Amazon or something." Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid, which has a very low pH level. It causes the cuticle of the hair to contract so your hair will look smoother and your curls will be more defined. And the sugar in the beverage makes your hair sticky so your hair may appear fuller after it dries. Carefully pour the Coca-Cola on your hair or pour the Coke in a basin and soak your hair in it. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Rinse it and wash it with shampoo. You may let it sit for up to 30 minutes if you want your hair to look fuller and curlier, more tousled, and with more texture. After having air dried, the hair will feel softer and fuller. The acidity in Coke makes hair shinier and swell, and the high corn syrup will make the hair sticky and gritty. They both give the hair more volume. Since the ingredients in Coca-Cola make the hair look fuller, it appears to work better for women with fine, limp or thin hair. It may make your wavy hair wavier and add more texture to your curly hair, but your hair may also turn out to be really tousled or even messy. Besides, some hair and scalp experts told Independent that it is not healthy for the scalp and hair for long-term use.